Hey guys, I think I messed up last night. I started my wind down way too late, and so I don't know what time I actually went to sleep, but it was very late. And now I woke up at 11 or just before 11, but I think I could sleep another 3 hours. I feel so tired.
Hi, baby. What you doing? Hi, cutie patootie. What you doing, darling? Boop, boop, boop.
And then look what I found. You want to show them? Let's show them, huh? Look what I found under the tree. And it says, to Mama from Sniffles, Tina, Sally, and Minors. Oh, I'm not opening it. I'm sorry. Making my coffee. I really need it right now if I'm going to do anything today. And I don't feel like I really liked how my wind down went. Like, my energy was so low and I'm feeling like crap. So I started my period yesterday. So, yeah, I don't know. I feel like poopy. Alright, so it's coffee time. I'm gonna stand a mug and I'm wearing my Falalala Llama pajamas. Falalala Llama pajamas. So I need to edit, and I need to edit quicker today because yesterday I spaced out and just watched movies and played on my phone, and I need to get it together. Even though I feel like crap, gotta get it together. But I do have my favorite bad snack that, like, every time I have the snack, I could just, like, eat it all day or just finish it. I have barbecue chips and Dr. Pepper, and that is my favorite bad snack, especially when I'm all bloaty, crampy, and want to cry. And I'm going to cry at anything I watch today. It can be stupid, and I'm still going to cry. I love that. Don't you love being a woman? Time to just drink my coffee. See if I can wake up. Well, I have waited 4.5 hours, and I haven't eaten my snack yet. So now it's time to eat my snack. I feel like a kindergartner who just, like, does the activity and then needs a nap and a snack. Like, what is wrong with me? So I edited my Vlogmas Day 11 wind down. I hate it. I hate the way it turned out. So if you guys are like, what is wrong with you? Like, where is your mood at? Yeah, it was a rough day. It was like prime period symptoms, like hormone brain, feeling stupid, feeling tired. So yeah, if I just seem off, like, that is why. But I was like, you know what? I've committed. I have not missed a day yet. We're not gonna miss it today just because I screwed up yesterday's video. So I kept it really short, or as short as I could. So I cut out a lot of the, like, just makeup stuff, and you'll still see, like, the progression, but, well, if you haven't seen it, go see it. But so yeah, I just cut out, like, as much as I could to keep it on the shorter side. But I don't know what I'm gonna vlog today now, like the rest of my afternoon, because I'm literally feeling like a couch potato. And yeah, I got a birthday card from Zach's mom. That's been the only good thing that's happened today, apart from, you know, my cats. I thought about asking my mom to come get me and let's go get Zach some stuff for Christmas, because he will not tell me anything. He literally said he wants socks. So Zach, if you're watching this, skip forward. He's probably not watching, but I think I'm gonna get him like a shit ton of socks. Like, really, I'd love to get him a Nintendo Switch. When I asked him, like, do you still have an interest in getting one, he was like, well, I really wouldn't have time to play it. That's probably his way of making me think that he wouldn't use it, but he probably would. But that's also like $300, and I told him, like, I can't do a lot, so don't do a lot for me, because I would love gift giving. Like, I love getting gifts too, but I really love gift giving. And like I told him, I'm like, it's a little bit for you, a little bit for my mom, a little bit for my dad, and that's it, and my Secret Santa, and like, that's all that I can do. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get him a ton of socks. So Yeah, he's like, I'll throw away all my old ones if I have new socks. I've been trying to get him to do that, like cycle out all his old stuff. Like, what is it with guys and the old socks and underwear? Like, why? I mean, I have a lot of clothes too, but I have no problem like putting sacks of stuff to donate. Like, I have no issue with that. I like doing it actually. And I'm kind of getting in the mood, like, I don't know why I'm in the mood now, of like going through stuff and getting rid of stuff. Like, I feel like I did that when we moved. I mean, I did a lot, but then when we got here, I felt like we had so much stuff. And I'm like, why do I have so much stuff? So literally, like, you know, you guys know I bought a few candles for fall, but I have burned through more candles than what I bought. And I'm like, okay, I'm not buying any more candles. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna like burn through these. But I do want to kind of get my mom some holiday candles. And a part of me is tempted, just because I feel like I have way too many. A part of me is tempted to just give her some of mine, but I'm like, oh, I should probably pick some out. But she won't care as long as they're new. And yeah, all I have is stocking stuffers. I've got to go to the store. Like, I need to go to the store with Zach for my parents, and then I need to go with my mom to get stuff for Zach. And that's all I can come up with. That's all I know. So anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you guys are doing good. I am going to have my snack. It's either snack time or nap time, and I'm hungry, so I need a snack. And I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right. It's 10 something at night. Let's just ignore the fact that I cannot get my life together. So I need to clean off this table and get it set up because my best friend is gonna come over and film the next wind down with me. And I'm gonna kind of pre-film that. So I need to clean this off, and I'm gonna remove all the skincare too and do something with it temporarily and kind of get it set up. I also need to clean brushes. So obviously I wanna sanitize any brushes just in case you'd like to use them and be as hygienic as possible. But yeah, I need to clean this up. I've got so much stuff here, but I really want to like strip it and then start over. And I don't know like how much she's gonna bring. If she's bringing any of her own makeup. She knows we're doing makeup, but I didn't really go into detail. I said it's going to be very chill, but what I'm going to do is round up some new makeup for her and have like a new little section of things, like especially mascaras, liners, stuff like that, that she can take with her. But first up, I need to clean this table off. So I figured we could, yet again, this is like a weekly thing, if not more often than that, but I think we're going to clean this table off together. We got our liquid IV. Hydrate, then clean. All right, my vanity is not quite as bad as usual, but I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up a bit. This is just to be recycled. Got my vanity a little bit cleared off, and the table is kind of set. So I have a bunch of stuff that I'm just gonna give her totally take it home. Everything's new. The brushes I took out because I wanted to go ahead and spritz them with Cinema Secrets, so they are sanitized. And then I set up a few things for myself as well, and face palettes in the middle. I don't have a lot of like extra face products, so for bronzer, blush, and highlight, I can just spritz them all with alcohol in the morning and let them lay open and dry out, and it's perfectly fine to use. But I think we got it set up. We even have antlers and colored rain Christmas sponges. I'm excited. All right, hope you guys are ready for that. All right guys, I am exhausted. I don't know how, because I woke up at like 11 o'clock today and it's about 11 now. So I am going to watch the episode of Grey's, the new episode I haven't seen yet. I'm gonna watch that and clean some of my brushes, and then I'm going to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow.